This is the second part to the project, the Bear River Watershed. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to jump to slide 9. So the Bear River is classified for 2B, 3B, 3D, and Class 4. Um, 2B means that the stream is protected for an infrequent amount of contact through recreation. And it also protects for secondary contact recreation where there's low likelihood of ingestion of water, a low degree of bodily contact with the water, such as, wading, hunting, fishing. It's also protected for 3B and 3D. Um, the Class 3 protects use by aquatic wildlife. 3B is warm water species of game fish and other warm water aquatic life, including the aquatic organisms in the food chain of those warm water fishes. And 3D is waterfowl, shorebirds, and other aquatic water bird wildlife that is not included in the previous 3A, 3B, or 3C classes. And then Class 4 protects for agricultural uses, including irrigation of crops and stock watering. Another part of the water quality is the hydrology includes a peak flow in May, low in summer, and that's usually because of the agriculture moving water, to water their crops, as there are a lot of farms along this section of the river. And at the end of the season, you see the base flow begins to increase at the end of the season for agriculture. Average total phosphorus in the stream is 0.15 milligrams of total phosphorus per liter. The data I found, it never went down past 0.14. And for Utah standards, total phosphorus should be 0.05 milligrams per liter. So this is, on average, a whole 100th place, 10th place, sorry, more than it should be. And then average suspended solids is 60 milligrams per liter, which isn't too insane. Macroinvertebrate data, there isn't a lot of data on them just really anywhere. The only inkling or indication that macroinvertebrate data had been collected was in an article I found that said in 1999 USGS collected data, and they found 34 individual species, to which 90% were hydropsyches, chironomids, and or natids. These species are not indicators of good water quality. Now, I did get on the USGS website and look for this article, but I couldn't find it. But the evidence of it being there is cited. Permits. The available data for what permits were in the watershed weren't necessarily available. But I did find one on a TMDL that gave an example of one, and then from that, was able to find the permit that allows the city of Kareem to discharge from their wastewater treatment facility into the lower Bear River. And here's the PDF that I retrieved that information from, I'm assuming a lot of cities along that section file for this permit. And as there are a lot of agriculture, there's a lot of agriculture along this section. I believe that most people have to have a general permit near the river, and that's what I found for this second part of the watershed.